is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I decided to pick up a couple of the new spring colors iPhone silicone cases for the 12 Pro Max because I thought that the colors looked really nice, and I like that Apple's finally adding, at least in my opinion, some good colors to the lineup of their products. So you can see here I did get the purple and also the blue. I think it's Amethyst and Capri. I think that's their official names. And I mainly wanted to get the purple one, and reason being is because this whole new kind of purpley trend color for the new iMac, the new purple iPhone, this purple case is because of Steve Jobs, and you know, it's kind of his 10-year anniversary or whatever. So it was kind of important to me. If I had an extra like $900 just laying around, I would probably grab the purple iPhone 12 because I think it looks really cool, but I wasn't going to drop that kind of cash, so I got the case. And while getting this case, I saw the blue one and I was like, damn, that would be sick to have too, so I picked it up. Now, I am currently using the black silicone case with the MagSafe wallet by Apple, and I still have not done the freaking review on this. I really need to do it. I do really like that case a lot. But this has been kind of my combo for the last couple of weeks on my iPhone. I do have quite a few different cases. I have this mouse bamboo one, which is really nice as well. I did do a review on that one. And I also have the aramid fiber or the carbon fiber one by Mouse as well. I'll leave the video link for that down in the description if you guys want to check it out. But like I said, I just wanted to get my hands on these. So we're going to do an unboxing here real quick and take a very quick look at them. They are just cases, so there's nothing too crazy with them. I think first I'll do the blue one because I'm super excited for the purple. And we got our normal kind of easy, just pull it open and pop the top. Super easy to get into Apple products. I love their boxing style, and then we can just slide it out like so. Very easy. And then we have some sort of documentation there, and then here is the case. And is there some sort of secret way of pulling this out? Yep, you just pull it, and wow, is that vibrant. It's very bright. I actually really like that. That looks really good. We can just take it off there, and that's basically it. It shows you how to put it in your iPhone. Pretty simple. Let me get this crap off the table. So there is the blue, and I think that looks really cool. Now, what I'm curious is the color combo of what I have on my 12 Pro Max. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and take this this black one off here, expose the beautiful stainless edges of this 12 Pro Max. If you guys are curious about my camera cover, I actually have the box right here. It is by Spigen. So this is the camera cover I'm using. I got a black one because I thought that this color combo would look cool. So let's take a look at, I have a microfiber. I'm like super OCD as well. Like I hate fingerprints. And this 12 Pro Max is an absolute fingerprint freaking magnet, let me tell you. So we'll put it in a case. And we just pop it in. Easy does. And then that looks really good immediately. And then let's throw this on there. That is a cool color combination. What do you guys think about that? I am digging that with the black MagSafe wallet, the black camera cover, the blue. Huge fan of that color. Now let's get into the purple one, the one I'm super excited for. So same unboxing, just tear that little tab off, pull the top, pull it out, super easy. Again, and wow. Now that is a purple. That looks really freaking good. So here's the purple, the amethyst. Of course, Apple silicone cases are very high-end build quality, I think. I think the Apple cases just work. Let's pop this bad boy back out. And let's take a look again, my OCD. Get those fingerprints gone. Let's go ahead and throw it in the purple now. Oh, I just noticed this. Hold up. It shows you which freaking color case you have with the MagSafe animation. All right, you guys ready? I never knew this. It's purpley colored. Holy crap, I never noticed that. Let's do the blue one real quick for reference. Now that is a cool feature. Blue. I never noticed that. Dude, you kidding me? How'd I not know that? I guess because I had the black case, it didn't really show. Again. Boom, purple. That is pretty dang cool. Now look at all the fingerprints on my camera. Alright, so that's the purple. Pretty damn sweet. And then with the black MagSafe wallet. And I am absolutely digging this collar combo. I think it looks really, really good. But that's going to be basically it, guys. Just a quick video on these new spring color cases available from Apple. I think that they look amazing. I think they're really nice looking. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.